Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Samson Prissy. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create your own TikTok effect. So if you want to create your own TikTok's effect, sisters, I watch this video to the very end. If this is the first time of you seeing this channel, please do it to subscribe to my YouTube channel in order for you to stay with us on this channel. So let's quickly rush into the video. All you need to do in order for you to create your own TikTok effect is very simple. You just to search for TikTok house on your browser. So I'm going to be using Chrome to show you guys how to do it. So on Chrome here, I'm going to be saying TikTok house. TikTok effects house, sorry. So all you need to do is to click on the TikTok effect on the top of your screen. So once you click on that, this is what you're going to be seeing. Creating, download now. Click on that. So once you click on download now, you're going to see sign up to get a download link of Mac or Windows. So all you need to do is to put in your email and sign up, so you can start creating your own effects on TikTok. So this is the simple way of you creating your own effects on TikTok. So we have come to the very end of this video. If you found this video helpful, this way to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a like. See you guys in my next. Bye.